Researching Local Law for the Environmental Legal Research course at Boston College Law School. A municipality is a town, city, or other local government unit formed by a municipal charter granted by the state. These charters set up the city or town government much the way a constitution sets up a state or federal government. Municipalities have only the authority granted to them by statute or constitutional provisions. Municipalities legislate by enacting bylaws and ordinances. Many areas of environmental law, while regulated by the federal and state governments, can also be affected by municipal ordinances. Municipal codes are codifications of local ordinances arranged by subject. Not too long ago, you would have needed to visit the local town or city hall to access the ordinances of that city or town. Occasionally, a local library or statewide law library would also have copies, and some major cities, like Boston or New York, would actually have their city code published and available for purchase. A new cottage industry of codifying and hosting municipal codes appeared. A number of publishers provide different interfaces and methods of finding and searching. Now, most local governments provide their municipal codes and ordinances online. Some municipalities, like Newton, Massachusetts, codify their own ordinances and publish them directly on their websites. Newton posts an unofficial version of its code as a series of PDF documents on its website. Others, like Watertown, Massachusetts, send their ordinances off to companies who are paid to create and maintain a municipal code for the municipality. Codes can move from one publisher to another or from one interface to another. There is no one place where you can quickly and easily find or search all municipal codes, but here are some tips for finding local laws. One easy way to access a local code is to search Google for the place name and the word ordinances. Many state law libraries, like the Wisconsin State Law Library, have compiled a list of links to the local laws for their municipalities. Most of the code publishers provide links to the municipal codes they publish, often geographically, like this page from Municode, which is now owned by Civic Plus. While there has been some consolidation in the industry, there are still a number of major players in the online municipal code market, so in many states, only a fraction of the state municipal codes will be available on one platform. We see here that Cambridge, Massachusetts has its code on the Municode platform. This code is searchable and browsable. It also contains a code archive that allows users to see previous versions of the Cambridge Code in case they are dealing with past acts when the law was different. Some publishers, like American Legal Publishing, allow anyone to search across all the codes it publishes for free. A user can search or browse this code for the City of Boston from American Legal Publishing using the table of contents on the left as well as the full text. Some publishers, like General Code, which publishes the eCode 360 library, allow anyone to search a single code but require a professional subscription to search multiple codes at once. The professional subscription includes advanced searching and downloading capabilities. General Code's eCode 360 individual codes provide multiple access points. In addition to being able to search the entire code of Watertown, Massachusetts, you can search selected chapters or browse the table of contents. This code also has an index that can lead the searcher to relevant code provisions more efficiently than keyword searching in some instances. As with any other type of statutory research, be sure to check the currency of any code you are using and know how to find those ordinances that are too new to be included in the code. Some publishers make it easy to find out if there are any ordinances too recent to be codified. Sometimes you'll need to contact the city or town hall to make sure there hasn't been a recent change. And remember not to look at local laws in a vacuum, but also research applicable state and federal statutes and cases that are also binding.